Stairs. Bedroom number 1. Closet. View. Bedroom number 2. Really big bedroom. Alcove study area. Huge bedroom. Pretty little window. View. Closet space. Living room. View. Smaller living room than the average, but it works still. Enough space for a couch. TV. Closet. Bedroom number 3. Not as big as the other ones. This is the smallest one, but it's still decent shape. Bedroom number 4. Really big. View. Closets. 2 of them. Bathroom. All brand new. Kitchen. Stainless steel granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances. Pantry. And then check out closet. Room for storage. End movie.